Good morning, or welcome to another Trading View update. Bitcoin trading sideways as ETH continues to outperform, absolutely smashing through various levels of resistance. Now, on Bitcoin, we'll start with looking at the main cryptocurrency. We're still holding the support at the 111-day moving average. Now, it looks like we're kind of trading within this rising wedge structure, which looks a little bit like this. The interesting thing is that with each price reversal, there's been a downward trending resistance line that we've needed to break through. We can see those here. For in each case, it's taken the price to really be squeezed into this trading corner between the support line and these individual downward resistance lines before we've exploded higher. Similar sorts of action we've seen on the RSI as well, where they've been squeezed into this lower area, exploded higher. So it's this break of the RSI that has signaled the momentum change when it comes to the next rally. Now for Bitcoin, we're still in an area where we could range sideways for the next 2 to 3 weeks. Whilst I don't expect that to happen, it's pretty clear that once we break through this resistance area, and the RSI is starting to suggest that there might be a breakout imminent, and that's when the rally will really start. Now, one thing that's really important to note as well is this indicator called the OBV, the on-balance volume. The on-balance volume essentially accumulates daily trading volumes. If the day ended up green, then the volume of that day is added to the OBV. If the day traded in the red or we traded down on the day, then the trading volume for that day is taken away. Now, what this shows us is that the accumulative or the OBV value is currently trading at a support level that's been in place since May. So since we bottomed out here, ever since June, sorry, the OBV hasn't been increasing. So the overall volume trading in the market has increased, meaning there's capital coming into the market. If we break through this support area and we start to see higher trading volumes on red days, i.e. a flight of capital, more people coming, closing their positions and exiting the market, then that's a sign that we could see continued price breakdown. And this is similar to what we saw back in May, where we broke through the prices after the big correction down to the low 50s, and we didn't see that increase in OBV as prices started to rise higher again. So there we could tell that there wasn't that same sort of trading volumes required for a sustained move higher. Now we're in a situation where we're again testing the support, which we do expect to see hold, but it's worth keeping an eye on. And as prices move higher, we want to see the OBV move higher still. So for now on Bitcoin, anything between I'm going to say 53 to 52k could present prime buying opportunity. If we then move higher, if we retest this level, which in the last 2 times we haven't really retested it, we just exploded through it, that would be the first real signal that we're ready to move higher. And this is what we've been seeing on Ethereum. If we look at Ethereum, we can see how the prices have reached various levels of support. Price has now not only reached this resistance area that's coming through, which is one of the logarithmic growth curves for Ethereum, but we're also in the top of this trading corridor for 2021. Let me show that with a few less support levels, the 2021 corridor. So we're now back at the top of this trading corridor where prices are consolidating a little bit as we take some respite. In terms of entries, if you haven't entered the market yet already, for us the key kind of levels to look out for would be these three: 4,650, 4,450, and worst case 4,400. Actually, I'd actually probably say 4,400. That's if we drop back down to that prime buying opportunity. But for now, it looks like this support has held, and the opportunity to buy is gone for now. We do want to see a retrace. We do want to see prices retest 4,650. Any sort of retracement allows the market to reset and move higher still in a sustainable and orderly manner. We're very close to the all-time high. If we do break this, Also, this is the next kind of key area of resistance. If we do break this, we're looking at the psychologically important $5,000 area as first area of resistance, followed by 5,500. Yeah, again, that's really it. We can see again how the downward trending resistance line that also in place on Bitcoin, we're struggling for the price to break through. This is the sort of price action that we want to see reflected in Bitcoin as well. Right now, that's not the case. Ethereum is definitely outperforming. And looking at the ETH BTC pair, as we did yesterday, it does suggest that ETH could outperform Bitcoin for the coming weeks. That's it from us. Have a good day.